Hello, everybody. This is Xavier Taylor. I'm going to show you that I create CPNs. I also give you the login information for Experian and also Credit Karma. If your CPN wasn't tri-merged correctly, you would not be able to get a Credit Karma or also Experian. So I'm going to go in. Well, first I'm going to show you what today's date is. This is June the 9th, 2018. A lot of people, when they post videos or post things, they like to show you things that was so far away and, acting like that is something that they've done recently, but it hasn't been. So I'm going to log into an account right now, and you're going to notice that it's a blank file. There's no accounts open. There's nothing in collections. And I'm going to go through everything right now just to show you that I'm a man of my word, and if you purchase a CPN with me today, you will get all of the information within 2 days, and it'll be ready to go. It won't have any trade lines on it, but you're gonna have a blank file, and I will point you in the right direction of how to get authorized users and primary trade lines onto your account so that it'll be much stronger. You can get authorized users, which is great. It's great. Look at this. Zero accounts. You have zero accounts closed. And like I said, you can get authorized users, which is great, but you still need some primaries on a primary or two on there so that you can get maximum funding. Look, you see that it has zero in collections. I'm gonna go over to Credit Karma to another account. Uh, and you're gonna see as well. This is a different client. Um, excuse me. Once again, today is June the 9th, 2018, Saturday. And look, June 9th. Thank you for the verification, Credit Karma. Now I'm gonna click on the file. You can see zero accounts, zero derogatory marks, and of course, one hard inquiry so that I can try merge the CPN. Guys, if you need this, inbox me. Trade the CPN is $150. You will get the login to Credit Karma and Experian in 2 days, and you will be ready to go. Thank you very much.